What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about the 3 simple steps on how to get started with affiliate marketing and the step-by-step game plan. Hey, my name is Jonathan Blake and I'm super excited for you to be here, and we're going to start just momentarily. I just want to let you know that I've got a free membership down below that's going to help you on everything affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer, and how to pick exactly your affiliate marketing platform. So let's get into it. Okay, so for the first step of affiliate marketing is you need to figure out who you want to help. Okay, what are your interests? What are you good at? Okay, so a great thing to do is to go to WikiHow and look up a list of hobbies, okay? And then go in there and find out what interests you. Okay, so the 3 core markets to affiliate marketing or to marketing are health, wealth, and relationship. Okay, so every market somehow aligns with those 3 things. Okay, so you need to sub-niche down into one of those things. Okay, so I like to go after make money online, right? So the wealth. So how can I help people with making money online? So that's where I was first introduced to affiliate marketing, and that's what I want to help people do the exact same thing that I'm doing. Okay, so you've picked your market, right? So either health, wealth, or relationships. Okay, so you've picked your market. Now you need to find an irresistible product, something that people are promoting and making money with. Okay, so here's a bonus tip that I like to do. So I like to find my market, and then I like to basically funnel hack or mirror my competitors, seeing exactly what they're doing. So I'm gonna make a fresh Gmail account, and I'm going to start subscribing to their email list. I'm going to see what hooks they're putting out, exactly what they're doing online. I use a software as well called Watcher Spy that I can legitimately content hack my competitors and see all the content they put out during the day, and I can remake it or mirror it to boost my audience as well. So what I like to do is I like to give them complimentary products. Okay, so I want to give them as much information on the front end as possible. I want to build rapport with these people, so I like to give them free training or a free share funnel, some kind of incentive to get them to give me their email. Okay, so our next step is going to be to build a bridge page, right? So we're going to have an opt-in page. So the whole goal of the opt-in, we're going to give them something for free, something of value that will give them a quick win. And so they'll trade us their email for that free gift. Okay, and then we're going to take them onto a bridge page that's going to pre-sell them on the offer. We're going to bridge the gap between us and our product or our service, and we're going to bridge the gap between us and the affiliate offer. So instead of us creating a product, us having to deal with inventory, PayPal holding massive amounts of your money, or dealing with payment processors and all this other stuff, all those headaches, those customer support, all that stuff, we don't have to deal with any of that. All we have to do is get people from point A to point B, and we make money in the middle, right? So what I like to do is I like to promote things that have high ticket affiliate marketing. So things that'll give me $1,000. So instead of me selling 100 $10 products, all I have to sell is 10 $1,000 products, and I make $10,000. So I like to do high ticket, and then I like to do reoccurring revenue as well. That's why I've chosen Legendary Marketer, because I get the high ticket, and then I get the recurring from ClickFunnels, and then I get to help people. My whole goal is to walk across that stage at Funnel Hacking Live and get an award. That's my whole goal. So basically what affiliate marketing is, so we're referring people to a business or a service, and we're the middleman. It's an all sales job, basically. That's all it is. There's no pyramid scheme, there's nothing else. It's just a platform. It's just you trying to help someone. Hey, if you want to learn more about digital marketing or Legendary Marketer, or you want to learn more about, I'm going to have a membership down below. It's going to teach you everything, the basics of affiliate marketing. It's going to be a lot more in depth compared to this YouTube video. I'm just trying to do this as quickly as possible and help you get a quick win. So if you want to do me a huge favor, hit the membership down below. I'm going to give you a bunch of free tools as well and bonuses.